In today's lesson, we'll be learning how to convert slope-intercept form to standard form. In standard form, we want the terms with x and y on the left of the equal sign, while we want the constants on the right of the equal sign. If you take a look down here, y is already on the left of the equal sign, which is good. However, 2x is on the right of the equal sign. So what I want to do is I'm going to move this to the other side of the equation. However, when you move a term to the other side of the equation, it becomes the opposite. So positive 2x now becomes negative 2x. The y stays exactly the same. However, I am going to add a positive sign in front of it, and the negative 3 on the right stays exactly the same. I'm just going to move it a little bit closer to the equal sign. At first glance, this equation does look like it's in standard form. However, in standard form, a should be positive. If you look down here, the a value is negative 2. To make it positive, we can multiply it by negative 1. However, if I multiply that by negative 1, that means I also have to multiply this term by negative 1, and that means I also have to multiply this term by negative 1. All right, so negative 2 multiplied by negative 1 gives us positive 2x. Next, we have this multiplied by negative 1, and that gives us negative y. And finally, we have negative 3 multiplied by negative 1, and that gives us positive 3. And I'm not going to write in the positive sign. As you can see here, 2x minus y equals 3 is in standard form because x and y are on the left side of the equal sign, while the constant 3 is on the right, and the value of a is also positive.